Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the EDC button Hapti coin. Here with me for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound and the feel of this little fella. But before I'm showing you this, you know what, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and let me know in the comments down below. If you're in the market for toys, guess what? You can check out fablades.com. Or if you want to check some pictures, just check @Fablades on Instagram. And let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. Look at this pretty cool carrying pouch. Looks like, feels like leather. It's very soft and nice. Inside you're going to find this EDC button Zirc polished little Hapti coin. Without further ado, let's check the size on this fella. 0.90 inches. Let's zero this thing out. 0.905, yeah, and 0.3, let's say, inches for the thickness of this little fella, which is tiny. I mean, it's a tiny one. Let's just compare it up to the, for example, Mackie. That's the CP Nano. That's the CP3. Look at that. That's the CP2. Getting bigger and bigger. This is like a Black Mirror design chocolate, so that's another big slider. Mahjong tile from Tommy EDC, another big boy. This is the armor slider from that I probably showed you already. So I'm just gonna show you this guy, which is the Milkia, and another one, which is the gamer slider from AC EDC. Another couple of small Hapti coins I have are the Timba. That's the Luger Bullet, and this is the Lauti and AC EDC collaboration right there. So, what is this guy? This is a very tiny, probably the smallest fidget toy that I have. This is the WMEDC numbered 28 Hapti coin. So you open it up. This is polished Zirc, by the way. And inside you're going to find a structure with a ceramic ball at the center and just like 6 magnets attracting each other. It is a cool one. It's so nice. It's cute. It's tiny. It's quiet. There's no way you can just have it snapping like that. That's going to be the loudest is going to be. So it's a very quiet one, very tiny. It looks super cute. It is polished Zirc. It is numbered. It is a very attractive one. Nice haptic feel in the hand. It's not too strong. The sound is very low. It's barely audible, but it's a pretty cool one. Very minimal, very simple. I like the button idea. I like the fact that it's Zirc. I love Zirc, and I love the fact that it's a quiet one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.